there, beautiful souls! Have you ever stopped to ponder the enigmatic aura you emit? Isn't it fascinating how certain individuals seem irresistibly drawn to you, as if magnetically pulled by your presence? Well, my friends, let's dive deep into this captivating topic and unveil the subtle signs that indicate people are undeniably attracted to your aura. First off, let's talk about those mesmerized gazes. Have you ever caught someone staring at you with an expression of sheer awe and admiration? It's like they're under a spell, unable to tear their eyes away from you. Well, guess what? That intense gaze speaks volumes about the allure of your aura. UCLA psychologist Dr. Albert Mehrabian discovered that our nonverbal cues, such as body language and facial expressions, play a pivotal role in these interactions. So, when you walk into a room exuding confidence, warmth, and approachability, it's no wonder people can't help but gravitate towards you. They're subconsciously picking up on your vibes, feeling a sense of comfort and curiosity that draws them closer. Next up, genuine interest. Do people genuinely seem interested in getting to know you better? Do they engage in meaningful conversations, asking thoughtful questions and truly listening to your responses? Well, according to social neuroscientist Dr. John Cacioppo, these connections are vital for our well-being. When folks are drawn to your aura, they experience a profound sense of connection and belonging that fuels their curiosity to understand you on a deeper level. Shared values, interests, personality traits, and even nonverbal cues all play a part in forging these connections. It's our innate need for social bonds and the positive impact they have on our lives that drives this genuine curiosity and engagement. Now, let's talk about emitting positive vibes. Do people seem happier, more motivated, or at peace when they're around you? Have you ever felt someone's energy shift the moment you enter a room? Your aura has the incredible power to uplift and inspire others, leaving them feeling more energized and inspired. Psychologist Dr. Barbara Fredrickson's research underscores the importance of positive emotions and their ripple effect on our social interactions and well-being. When people are drawn to your aura, they may experience a plethora of positive emotions that encourage them to think more openly, connect more deeply with others, and cultivate resilience. Your energy isn't just a mood booster, it's a catalyst for personal growth and well-being. Lastly, let's talk about being a comfort magnet. Have you ever noticed that people instinctively seek solace and comfort in your presence? They're naturally drawn to confide in you, seeking your guidance and support. Your aura emits a sense of warmth and understanding that makes them feel safe and at ease. It's a clear indication that your energy possesses a unique ability to provide comfort and attract those in need of solace. So, my dear friends, if you've noticed any of these signs in your own interactions with others, take it as a testament to the power of your aura and the positive energy you radiate. It's a unique gift that can help you forge deep and meaningful connections, impacting the lives of those around you in profound ways. Share your experiences and insights in the comments below, and don't forget to spread the love by sharing this video with friends who might find it intriguing. Until next time, remember, you matter.